everybody, this is Joe, the Texas Rideshare Guy, coming to you from cloudy Dallas, Texas. We are about to get some pretty severe weather tomorrow. This is Tuesday, April the 16th. So tomorrow, Wednesday, we're supposed to get a really big storm through here that could have hail and tornadoes. So you guys out there in the DFW area, be on the lookout for this storm. I'm not really sure. I think it's going to be tomorrow night is when the worst of it is going to hit. Anyway, I'm making this video today because I was watching a video by Kevin the Entrepreneur about Uber messing with the surge. It's a recent video, I believe. And so I decided to go and look in the Uber app and look at my earnings as well. And I'm going to show you, as you can see by the earnings. This was an airport ride that I took yesterday that paid me $25.78. You can see there was a $5 tip and $2 toll. So that means I netted $18.78 on this ride before tip and toll. Well, I want to show you what Uber charged the passenger. Much to my disbelief, I was shocked when I saw this. All right, so Uber charged $39.62 for the ride. They kept $10.84 plus $3 for a rider fee. What is a rider fee? I've never heard of that. So that's $13.84. They basically took quite a bit of money on this trip. This is just absolutely incredible. The rider price was $34.62, and I got $18. That's probably about 45% of what they basically took. I got nowhere near 75% for that ride. That's not the only one. If I go to another trip, this one is remarkable here. This was a short trip. This lady took, literally it was like a little over 1 mile. And it's crazy. I got paid $3.97, including a $1 tip. So that basically means I got $2.97. And here, the rider price was $6.84. So they took over 50% of that. That's almost $7, and I made almost $3 on that ride. That's just absolutely ludicrous that they would do that. They received $3.87. I received $2.97. That's just, it's unethical, it's immoral, and it is absolutely frustrating, to say the least. I'll show you another trip. I haven't looked at all the trips yet, so let's look at this other bigger trip. I made $33.76 on it, and I got a $3 tip and $4.86 on toll. So basically, I made, roughly around $26. Roughly around $26 on the trip before toll and tip. Let's see what Uber charged. Uber charged $45, $42.13. So they still took about $16. That's still nowhere near 25%. Um, I mean, that's just absolutely crazy that they're doing this. I hope I'm not looking at this wrong, but I mean, the rider payment was $45 minus that tip. That's $42.13. Uber says that they're only receiving $8.37, and then $3 for a rider fee. Um, there's still like $3 missing out of this somewhere. You take, Uber charged the customer $42, and I only received 26, so that's $16, and Uber only is saying they only received 11. Where's the other 5? That's just absolutely frustrating. So anyway, I wanted to know your thoughts on this. I hope I don't get deactivated for this, but we have to expose Uber for their practices. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, peace out.